instead of very. Very calm, serene. Very ugly, hideous. Very small, petite. Very funny, hilarious. Very quiet, host. Very rich, wealthy. Very accurate, exact. Very afraid, fearful. Very clever, intelligent. Very cute, adorable. Very dull, tedious. Very eager, keen. Very evil, wicked. Very fast, quick. Very fierce, ferocious. Very light, luminous. Very lively, animated. Very lovely, adorable. Very angry, furious. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Very big, massive. Very boring, dull. Very noisy, deafening. Very poor, destitute. Very creative, innovative. Please subscribe